Introduction. In this video, I will explain how to use the web browser and an internet connection to receive security notifications that may be relevant to your systems. Procedure. Create a new profile on the web browser. The first thing you need to do is create a new profile on the web browser. This is because the extension I will be using, as well as most extensions used in web browsers, have access to information about the sites you visit. Therefore, if you value privacy, it is recommended to use these types of extensions on a new profile where you know exactly that this new profile will have access to less important sites. Install and configure the extension. From the Vulnerability Feed's new web browser profile, access the extension web store and search for FeedBro and select it. Brave is the web browser I am using in this use case, so once you find FeedBro's web store extension page, simply click on Add to Brave to initiate the installation process. Since FeedBro has the ability to access data from all websites visited within this specific profile, the web browser will request your confirmation to add the extension and complete the installation. Once the extension is installed, you need to pin its icon to the browser's main toolbar. The Manage Extension button will show the extension's configurations within the web browser. To ensure proper functionality, FeedBro must access all sites, so assure that. If you wish to delve deeper into the features of FeedBro, feel free to click on Open Extension Website. Import subscriptions, sources, and notification rules. After testing several extensions, I have chosen FeedBro for two main reasons. Firstly, it offers the ability to import and export configurations, allowing you to create a backup of your subscription configurations, information sources, and notification rules. This backup can be easily shared with others. Secondly, FeedBro supports various subscription formats such as Atom or RSS. For your convenience, I have shared a Google Drive link in the video description where you can find my latest configuration files. Please note that using these files is optional, and I offer no guarantee in case of any damages. It is recommended to scan them using virustotal.com for added security. To import the FeedBro internal configuration, simply click on its icon in the web browser toolbar and select Options. In the new window, choose the specific import function to import the respective configuration. The .opml file contains a list of 64 URLs for subscription sources, most of which are related to InfoSec. On the other hand, importing the .json file will create 3 notification rules, with the most important one being the 0-day rule. How notification rules are composed. Open Feed Reader and select Rules. The 0-day rule works so that every new article that arrives in the Cyber Alert folder is checked for containing at least one of the configured keywords in the conditions. When one or more conditions are met, the following actions are performed. I highly recommend using the Mark as Favorite star action to easily access all important notifications. FeedBro provides a default folder for your favorite notifications. The article is marked as a favorite with a star. Test notification rules. To test the rule, I will use a keyword and apply it to the file of articles that have arrived in the Cyber Alert folder. To ensure the effectiveness of the 0-day rule and avoid false positives or negatives, I will deliberately use the incorrect keyword DFS within the correct subscription sources folder named Cyber Alerts. Similarly, I will use the correct keyword exploited in the wield within the incorrect subscription sources folder called Tech. As you can see, the rule works flawlessly. Receive notifications. In general, notifications are sent by the web browser. Therefore, it is important that this feature is enabled in your web browser. In this video, I'm using macOS, and I have enabled the ability to receive notifications from the web browser. In my case, notifications come in the form of banners. Throughout the day, I have received several notifications that I haven't managed. You can check the old notifications in the operating system's notification bar. By clicking on one of the notifications, the specific article is opened in the feed reader. After analyzing the article, you can perform various operations using the many other functions that the feed reader has. Conclusion: I have used the web browser, extension, and an internet connection in a simple way and as a complement to the tools I used to manage vulnerabilities in the company where I worked. Thank you for watching.